Welcome to Vancouver Masala. Keeping with the Christmas spirit, we bring to you some Christmas carols sung by the Indonesian community at Our Lady of Mercy Parish in Burnaby. Let's visit them right after this break.
Welcome to Simba's Grill. Come and enjoy kuku choma, Simba's chicken, kebabs, and jungle prawns.
flavor section today, we have for you a Christmas special from the kitchens of Simba's Grill. Come, let's see what's cooking.
Jumbo once again from the kitchen of Simba's Grill. As it's Christmas season, all dressed in red today, we're going to do some stuffed turkey and stuffed Cornish game hen just to go with the season. And we're going to stuff with the turkey. We're using boneless, skinless turkey breast. We're going to stuff with lamb, minced lamb, spinach. And the same with the chicken, but in the chicken, because the cavity is a little more, we will put some rice as well as that, so you can do either or. It is, again, not very difficult to do, but as you will see, it's going to be very simple and quick. Few minutes of work here, just a prep, and we are ready to go. Okay, here I've got minced lamb, leg of lamb. I use leg of lamb. And I've like a little bit of garlic and salt inside. Depends again on how you want your stuffing to turn out, how you like the taste. More garlic, more salt, mint, peppers, whatever you like, you can put in your mince. And we don't use any fat or anything at the bottom of the pan because there is enough fat in the mince. It's going to cook by itself. So we'll get this going. Okay, so we'll let that start cooking for a while, and then now we will go and get the spinach prepared. 2 bunches of spinach here. You can just cut off the ends. So there's not much prep to do here at all. Just the whole 2 bunches as they are. We'll just take them and put them on top of that, and then we'll just cover this. We don't want to cook the spinach again, we just want to steam it a little bit cooked, and we're ready for that. Okay, while this is cooking, we can go and prepare the turkey breast. Okay, first we will take the turkey breast. You can get now skinless, boneless, leg, breast, whatever you want. So usually for our family of 2, you never need to cook a whole turkey. It is just too much. Then you end up eating turkey this, turkey that for a whole week. So usually it's a waste. So we just, nice piece of turkey breast there. Just want to, right. Okay, I have prepared some of the same mix we are going to use in the breast, because you have to cool it down a little bit before you use it. You can see the whole spinach. Because that we want to put it like that in this thing. Now before we do this, we just need to put a little bit of garlic. Rub it in. Just salt in here. And I put a little bit of pepper. Again, this is optional. You cannot put if you want. Whatever spices you want to put your turkey to taste, rosemary, thyme, cilantro, whatever you want the spice, you can get it out from there, that flavor. So now we will just put the stuffing in. And again, like you can put whatever stuffing you want. It's not necessary you have to use lamb. You can use chicken, you can use beef, vegetables, again, but it really tastes very nice. The combination of the lamb and the turkey, it goes very well together. We just want to roll it up now. Tucked in. Now we're just going to tie it up a little bit. There we go. So once we've tied this down, we'll put a few more strings later. We have a baking tray, a little bit of olive oil, here we'll cut out these extra strings here. Drizzle a little bit of oil on top again, and then I'll just put some pepper on top here again to give it a nice color as well. Now we put the oven on at 375 for an hour 20 minutes should be enough, but you can check always with a thermometer or a prick, and if the juices are clear, that means it's done. Now we'll do the same with the chicken. This is a 1.5 to 2 pound Cornish game hen, and the game hens I use because a lot of meat in the breasts. It's better, more juicier, more tastier than a regular chicken. Now we use the same stuffing, but what I've done is I've got some rice here, pre-cooked rice. Just take some of this, mix it in there. Okay. And again, we'll take some of the garlic. You can mix it with the rice, but I prefer, I'll rub it inside the cavity of the chicken here. Put some under the skin. So this is skin on. It's more juicier that way, doesn't dry out very quickly. And then we'll just stuff it with our mixture of rice and lamb. Right in. Okay, this is done again. Now we've tied it down. A little bit of oil again on top. Drizzle a little bit of oil. Then I'll put a little bit of, because we're going to cook it this side, a little bit of pepper, just give a little bit of color. And again, we're going to put it next to our turkey. Okay, so we'll put it in the oven now for an hour 20 minutes. Both should be done. We will check again, depending on the size of chicken and the size of breast, whatever you have, we have to check on that. You can serve this with potatoes, rice, whatever you usually have for some garlic bread. But that one chicken for 2 people, the turkey for 3 people, 2 people is usually enough for a Christmas dinner. You have potatoes and some other things on the side. Okay, our turkey is ready now. We let it sit for 10-15 minutes outside the oven, so it cools down a little bit. We're ready to take off the strings, and we'll slice it and put it in a plate here. So just lightly cut. once again, thank you to Vancouver Masala for letting us come on their show and sharing our secrets with you. Today we're going to do a karai beef or fried beef, stir-fried beef, but East Indian style, but a little bit of my own twist inside. Simple dish to make and very easy to do. For this dish you'll need 2 pounds. That'll enough to feed maybe 8 people. Maybe sirloin top, sirloin tip, expensive sirloin tip, but need a soft meat, and I'm using sirloin tip here. You want to leave a little bit of the fat on because that gives it that extra flavors. Now what you have to do is just thinly that way it's going to cook. It's going to cook very fast, and it's going to have lots of, every piece of meat is going to have lots of flavor. We need for this 1 red onion, chop, olive oil. I use, we call this a karai, a wok karai. Take it into the frying pan here, into the wok. We need to get some tomatoes. I don't put too much tomatoes. I prefer to use the paste, but you need a little bit for the color of this particular dish. We'll put that there. Cilantro, 1 bunch, 2 bunches, depending on your taste. Garlic, ginger, green chili, but I would prefer to use the whole green chili. Some dana jeera, crushed coriander, all the garam masalas and everything. You can get that at any Indian store. And some tomato paste. Salt to flavor. You don't want to make the onions red, just a little saute, get them a little soft. We'll put our beef in. £1 pound, 2 pound, 3 pounds. 1 heaped spoon for 2 pounds, and another one because I got a little bit extra in there. 1 teaspoon, like 2 tablespoons per pound, so 4 tablespoons should be enough for this. Get all these down there. The meat is going to shrink a little bit, so that's why that's not doesn't look like, it looks like a very small wok to be doing this in, but the meat is going to shrink a little bit. So it gives it more room, so the air, the moisture goes up, comes down, so it stays in there. Okay, we'll keep that on low heat. We'll come back to it later. Okay, now at this time it's not cooked, but the flavors, everything, all the masala is mixed up. We'll put our tomatoes, cilantro, green chilies. You can put your crushed if you want, but this is more, it gives it a nice, not too hot, as long as you don't cut them up and put them in. I put them in whole, and gives it a nice flavor. We'll just cover this again, put it on low heat, and come back to it later. Okay, now we had this cooking on low for a while. And you can see we never added any water in here. It's just the moisture from the meat. Because it's more of a dry dish, you can serve it in a platter. Cilantro here. It's a fork. So this dish with garlic bread, naan, rice. Look at that.
Welcome to Simba's Grill. Come and enjoy kuku choma, Simba's chicken, kebabs, and jungle prawns.
Thank you for watching. We wish all our viewers a Merry Christmas. May the years ahead bring joy and peace to you and your family. Send us your feedback by email or call us at 604-767-2395. Meet you again next week, same day, same time. Until then, have a great week.